Hi, and welcome to the fourth lecture in this series. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to work with Sublime Text project. But before we even get into that, I want us to explore this cool feature by going to View, Sidebar, and then Show Sidebar. Here, we can see all the files that we are working with in our project. So now that we are done with that, let's get into the project. What is a Sublime Text project? A Sublime Text project is actually what we are working on as a developer. Whatever you're working on as a developer is termed a project. Now in Sublime Text, when you configure your development environment like this with all the files opened and the plugins installed and all that, you can save that as a project. When you go to project and then you move to save, you're supposed to pick a directory where you can save this. But I would prefer to save it in the directory that we are going to save the other working files. So I will just scroll down here and I'm expecting to see in document a folder called glass footer. Or if it's not there, let's just go ahead and create this new folder. Then we're going to call this glass footer files like this. Good. Then we're going to open this folder and then save our Sublime project. So we're going to call this glass footer project. And then it comes with its own extension, so you don't need an extension for this. I'll save this. And the first thing we can see upon save is that the title bar has changed to reflect the new project. Now that we are working in this project, I want us to go ahead and bring in some files into the project. So I'm going to click on the File tab, Open Folder. Then I'm going to open the folder that we just created, Glass Footer Files, Select Folder. And then a new window opens for us. So we can go ahead and close the other window. And as we can see in the new file that we just, or the folder that we just brought into the project, it has one file, and that is the Sublime project file that we have just created. The project file can help us to easily launch the entire project. Without first opening the text editor, we can just go ahead and move to that directory in Documents, then we open it like so, and there we have it. And that is just about it for this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video where we begin the basics of HTML5.